Send your IELTS scores with ease. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we are diving deep into the world of IELTS, focusing specifically on how to send your IELTS scores to institutions. This step is crucial if you want universities or employers to recognize your English proficiency. Let's get started. When you take the IELTS exam, your scores can be a ticket to new opportunities, whether it's for academic studies, work, or migration. Sending your scores directly to the institution ensures that they receive a verified copy from the test center, eliminating any doubts regarding authenticity. IELTS allows you to send scores to a number of institutions for free, but there might be charges for additional ones. Here's how you do it. 1. During registration. While registering for the IELTS, you'll be asked if you want to send your scores to any institutions. If you already know where you'd like them sent, provide the details. 2. After the test but before receiving scores, contact your test center either in person or via email. Provide them with the names and addresses of the institutions. Remember, there may be a deadline for this, so act swiftly. 3. After receiving your scores, if you decide to send your scores to an institution after receiving them, you may have to pay a fee. Again, get in touch with your test center and provide the necessary details. Know the address. Make sure you have the correct and complete address of the institution. Check for free quotas. As mentioned, you can send a certain number of score reports for free. Check how many free sends you have left. Keep a record. Always keep a copy of the correspondence with the test center for your records. This can be helpful in case of any discrepancies. Timing. It's important to send scores well before your application deadlines. Institutions can take time to process scores, so give them ample time. There you have it. Sending your IELTS scores to institutions is a straightforward process, but it requires attention to detail. By following these steps and tips, you can ensure that your scores reach their destination without any hitches. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we wish you the best in all your future endeavors. Keep learning and shining.